What is good, my reflections? What's good, my babies? Torithia is here, baby. You know I had to come through. We are here to talk about numbers. Well, we really here to talk about life path numbers, but we're going to do that in part 2. Part 1 is really about numbers, because in order to understand your life path number, you have to understand that there is no number bigger than 9. So what do you mean, Torithia, there is no number bigger than 9? Now, we know infinity is the number that keep going on and on and on and on, Torithia. I know 999. What do you mean, Torithia? It ain't no number bigger than 9. I just told you 999. Reflection. Look at 999. It's the same number repeated 3 times. So technically, there is no number bigger than 9. Keep up with me, reflection. It's called Benson Light, and you have to understand that in this reality that you're living in this matrix that you're living in, to understand the matrix, to break the veil, to really decode, because you over here with the real decoders, reflections. Okay, baby. Okay. To understand that and to break the veil, you really have to understand that there is no number bigger than 9. Okay. The number is just repeated over and over again. But what if I told you, reflection, that 1 through 9 is the same number as 1? Torithia, hold on now. You took me too fast. You just told me it ain't no number bigger than 9. What do you mean every number? So you mean to tell me 8 is 1 and 7 is 1 and 6 is 1 and 2 is 1? Reflection. Keep up with me. Let's start from the top and take it to the drop. Okay. 1 can be bent into 2. Take the number 1. If you need to, get you a piece of paper, whatever you got to do, and take the number 1. Now, bend the number 1 and make a 2. That same number 1, bend it and you can make the number 2. Now take the number 2 and you can make it the number 3. Hold on, Torithia, you on to something. Keep up with me, reflection. Shit, okay? Take that number 3 and you can make it into a 4. Okay, we ain't got to erase enough. We bends and light over here. Take that number 4 and you can make it into a 5. Take that number 5, bend that end of that 5 and you got that 6 right there, reflection. Keep up with Torithia, you over here with the decoders, okay? Okay, and we already know what we can break that. We can break that 7. We can break that 7. Ain't this what's next? Okay, you can make that into a 7. And in the 7, you got the 90-degree angle. Okay, look right there in that corner. Right there in the corner as you write your 7. You see the number 7? Right there in the corner, what do you have? Didn't I tell you numbers are symbols and symbols are numbers? You have your 90-degree angle. And you also have the number. You have the letter L. What I was going to say, the number L, because numbers are letters, reflection. Okay, flip that 7 upside down. What do you get? You get an L, don't you? And you also get your 90-degree angle in that corner, which is also a square. And also, okay, you see how everything, which is also your pyramid, which is also, you see what I'm talking about, reflections all come together. Okay, so let's jump back to it. We got the number 8. Okay, so we have the number 8. Okay, the 8 is nothing but 2 zeros that are stacked on top of each other, right? You put them together, you get what? You put both of you. Look at the number 8. Push them together, what do you get? You get a 0, you get the circle, you get what? Numbers are letters and letters are numbers, reflection. You over here with the decoders. Okay, so what do we get next? Out of an 8, you can easily make a 9. Okay, you can draw an 8 and then draw a 9, or draw an 8 and then draw your 9 right over it. It's a number inside a number. You get it, reflections. Okay. And we just did 0. Okay. So when you have 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, those are the same numbers stacked beside each other. So there is no number bigger than 9. You have 78. That's a 7 and an 8, reflection. There's no number bigger than 9. You have 93. That's a 9 and a 3 right beside each other. And we can push the 9 and 3 together and you get an 8, right? Push a 9 and push every letter beside each other. You're going to get a symbol or you're going to get a number. That's how it works, reflection, because everything is built on the number 9. Nothing is bigger than 9, reflection. So we're going to come back in part 2 to discuss our life path numbers and the meanings behind them, the meaning behind your life path number and how to find your life path number, because that has a lot to do with that contract as well. A lot of people be trying to do a lot of things that are not even in their life purpose. Y'all get what I'm saying, baby? And we gonna help y'all get back on alignment in part 2. But we had to first discuss the power of 9. We had to first discuss no number is 9. We had to first break the veil of the motherfucking matrix. Hit that like and subscribe button, because you over here with who? Torithia. Ashe, ashe, ashe.